welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn a new element which is called image. As we have learned before about the heading, which is H1, H3, and we have also learned about paragraph and the most important element, anchor, to link and hyperlink other web pages, as we did the list word to map the cities. Now today we'll start with images so that we can add image to our website. We will add a bike image. So just like the websites have URLs, images on the web also have URLs. So image URLs typically end with the .jpg or png file extension. The image tag, which is img tag, has a src attribute which stands for source or source of the image element, from where the web browser would be caching the image. Image elements are self-closing, which means they do not need a closing tag as we need for headings or paragraph. We don't need a special backslash tag for them. We can close the image within themselves. So let us add an image to the paragraph or photo to our web page, and we'll see. So we'll go through the instructions now. In index.html, on the line below the paragraph element, add an image element. Use the following URL as a image as a URL. So as I have said, it says here we have to add an image element, which so we'll open the parenthesis, we'll add the element which is img for image, then we'll give the src and we'll add the link. So as I have told you, we have opened the bracket, we have parenthesis, we have added the element name img, we have added the attribute src which equals the link. That is, this is a source of the photo from this is the particular link from where we are fetching the photo to our website. And now we will enclose this img tag. In order to enclose the img tag, we'll give a backslash and we'll enclose the tag, and now we will click on run to see if that image gets loaded up in our browser or not. So it is trying to load up the browser from Amazon cloud website. So as you can see, we have our bike here. That's great. So we have a heading, we have a paragraph, we have a subtitle, we now also have an image to our website. That looks really great. Now we move to our instructions too, which says want to change the photo that the image displays. We want to change the photo that the image element displays. Simply set the value of the src to a different photo's URL. So we'll add another photo instead of this photo. This is not looking great. We'll try to add one more great photo. So we'll just change the link. So what we will do is we will remove this link from the quotation and we will add this link. So we'll copy the link from here and we will just add it here. Alright, that's done. Now we'll click on run and we'll see what this image looks like. So this is again from Amazon website, so the Amazon web server, as you can see, amazonws.codecademy. So this looks great. So now as we have completed both of our instructions, we'll move to the next level, and now we'll see what exactly it is. So now, apart from only the src attribute which image has, that stands for source, which tells the browser what is the source of the image, we also have other attributes as well, which is for width and height of the image. As you can see, this image is applied to the entirety of the web page. That doesn't look great. We might want to add a paragraph just beside the image. So it may we just may want the image to look like a square or a circle. So for those kind of editing, we require other attributes of image, which is called the height, the width of the image, and we can also add controls so that we want the image to appear once the entire website has loaded, or play, pause, volume. Suppose we want to add a play button, so that is also an image. The button which looks like a play symbol is an image. Now adding a control to it gives a functionality to pause the video or to play the video. We can similarly add sounds or volume icon. So these are done using different attributes which we will cover through this video. So as we can see, width and height set the size of the screen that the video displays. and also controls add, play, pause, and volume control. Source, that is src, sets the URL of the video to play, and type specifies of different video formats. So instead of image, we can also add a video source. We will be now adding a video source so that we can also give a trailer of what our service is going to look like. So as it says in the index.html, delete the image element so we can space on the web page for a video. So we will now remove the image element and we will be adding a video. Thank you, and please wait while I add a video for you. So as it says, remove the img element, so I'll select the entire tag and delete it and click on run as per the instructions one. Okay, so that's done. We have removed the image. Now next, below the paragraph element, create a video element, use a codec verb as guided. So now we would be creating a video element. For video elements, the tag would be video within parentheses. Then we will give src for source, and we will add this link. So how to add the link? We'll just copy the link from here. It's again from Amazon web server, and it is posted by Codecademy. Okay, so we have added it here. Now the video will need width and height attributes as per it says, a control attributes, a source src attribute set to. Remember, the attributes value must be in quotes except for controls. Click run to view the video in the web browser. So now we will also add a width attribute. Suppose I want the video to be of 300 pixel wide and height of 500 pixels. Now we can also give it a control, as suppose if I want to give it a control of play or pause, control equals to play. Alright, so that's added, and now we will close a video tab. So in order to close a video tag, once again we have to use this particular symbol. And now we will click on run and we'll check if that video is loaded into the browser or not. So as you can see, the video is loaded and it has different controls. So it has different attributes as well. It has got the source attributes, it has got width attributes with 300, so it's 300 wide and it's 500 long, that is 500 pixels long, 300 pixels wide. And now we'll add controls to this video so that we would be able to run the video. And instead of doing this as well, we can use one other way of adding different attributes. We can remove the play here. We can just add that we are adding controls to this video, and instead of adding a src or a source tag here, what we can do is we can remove source tag from a video. We can keep the attributes of the video very simpler so that it's easier to understand. Okay, we'll just add a video tag. We will specify the width and height, and we'll also specify this video has got controls, so any user who is going to my website would be able to play the video, pause the video, adjust the volume of the video, adjust the size of the video, and so long. So we will now add the source of the video. So for this we'll again have an element called source, and we'll just add the source by src document as we have done earlier. And as you can see, apart from this, we also have to specify what kind of video is this. Is this MP4 video or any other format of video? So we will be adding the type of the video as well, so that we would be able to let the browser know it's a video of MP4 type. So it's video. So we'll give the attribute of type. Will then in quotation we would equal the video format, which is video. It's a video format, and the format of the video is MP4. And now we will close the source tag. Now once the source tag is closed, and we have already closed our video tag, so we would click on run and we will play the video in the screen. That looks great. Now we have a video on our screen to play. So this video is now loaded. We would be able to play the video by clicking on the play sign. So you know that adding a controls attributes has given this video a control which it wasn't there at that point of time. So if you click on play,